Former Chief Justice Raymond Zondo has raised his concerns on the executive's slow call to action in implementing mechanisms to deter the reoccurrence of state capture, saying the president is yet to announce progress on the matter.
He indicated that there was a task team that would look at various possible structures. I'm not aware that it has finalized its job. I think that is the anti-corruption council that he established. So we wait to see what structures he decides upon that will fight corruption. So the pace is not what it should be.
Zondo stresses that the nature of state capture was targeting the integrity of state institutions and is wary that similar instances may present themselves.
I see a lot of people against whom findings were made in the commission who are in parliament, and I wonder whether it's coincidental or whether there is any attempt by anybody to weaken parliament. And we know that the way that the state capture of the Guptas and Mr. Zuma was working, it worked on the basis of weakening institutions so that they would not do the job they are supposed to do.
The former Chief Justice did, however, allude to the possible benefit of the GNU, as no single party has the outright majority in Parliament.
When opposition parties said, look, the evidence about state capture has been mounting, and the president, there are lots of allegations against the president. We should pass a vote of no confidence in him. The majority turned that down, the ANC. In that way, state capture was allowed to continue. If the public hearings, investigations that the opposition parties had called for had been allowed to happen, the state capture may have been stopped before a lot of money of taxpayers was stolen.
Retired Chief Justice Zondo, who served over 27 years as a judge, says looking back he has no regrets, as he knows he acted within the Constitution and rule of law. Zara Groenewald, SABC News, Johannesburg.